You got your average pot of water that you're gonna use pasta in. But the real way to do it is use chocolate chips with salt in the water. Right here, chocolate chips in the water. You ready? Okay, now we're gonna wait many minutes until the water boils. And that is how you do pasta. I'll be right back. Okay, so after your chocolate water is boiling and it's at maximum heat, you can finally turn it down and you can stir it to make sure it's not gonna explode on you. Oh, look at that, it looks disgusting. So now what you do is you take your pasta and you put the pasta in the gross. Oh my. Okay, now that that's done, you can leave this for later. Now, we stir it. Oh my, I'm scared. So you stir it. Wow, look how disgusting it is. So we'll be back any minute for when our pasta is done cooking in this. I'll be right back. After your pasta is done cooking, it's nice and good. You can taste it with the fork. After that, you have to turn off the heat and take out the spoon. And now, we're gonna have to clear the sink. Like so. You put the strainer in the sink. You pour your disgusting mixture into it to drain out the pasta. Oh, it smells like brownies, but I know it's not brownies. So once your thing is finished, you can put your pot back in the disgusting sink and wait for this to cool. It'll take, actually, you don't need to wait for it to cool, because you can just put it straight in the pot. And pick up any leftover pieces and put it back in. Now that your pot is overflowing, you can throw this out too. Now what you're gonna need is some butter. Like so. You take your butter and you put it in the pasta. And you mix it around until it's finished mixing. I'll be back after mixing. Now that your mixing is all done, you can feel free to pour yourself a nice glass of milk. And sit down to a wonderful dinner with your family. You can tell them you made your famous chocolate chip pasta. It's delicious. Yum yum.